Hello everyone, I'm Francis, co-founder and the COO at ChargeHub. So we're a software company in the electric vehicle space. Our leading ChargeHub app helps drivers of electric vehicles discover all the public charging stations in their area. And we already have over 300,000 users that rely on our app and website to plan their trips. And 1 out of every 3 new electric vehicles sold in the US and Canada, the driver downloads our app every day. So due to our experience and our position in the ecosystem over the last couple of years, we've had the opportunity to interact with multiple different stakeholders beyond just the driver, including automakers, electricity providers, charging operators, and charging site hosts. And together they form the new EV energy value chain. And each one has a very important role to play, but none are in a position to work across the value chain. And that's where ChargeHub comes in. And we're uniquely positioned to harmonize EV charging for everyone. And we're taking advantage and leveraging that unique position and our large user base to tackle the next big problems: the fragmentation of the payment experience and of the data infrastructure. To pay and activate charging stations in a given area, drivers typically and may need 5 or 10 or even more apps, accounts, cards. And it can be terribly confusing, especially for new drivers. And it also affects all the other stakeholders in the value chain. Automakers, they rely on an overall great customer experience. So poor charging experience makes it more difficult to sell more EVs. Charging site hosts will have a harder time attracting customers to their locations if it's not very intuitive to pay and charge there. Charging operators as well are losing potential driver users who just didn't bother creating another account with them. And electricity providers, while it is certainly good to sell more electricity, for many, the biggest concern today is having access to driver data and real-time charging data to properly manage their grid infrastructure. So all these stakeholder problems directly drive our company roadmap. In the next 12 months, our goal is to release the first unified payment solution with several charging operators on board, to solidify partnerships with automakers and site hosts, and release our charging data platform for electricity providers to give them access to all the data they need in one place. So we already have a lot of traction with users and drivers. We have lots of partnerships with automakers, electricity providers, and charging operators across North America. And we're actively working to integrate and partner with many other industry players. My colleagues and I have the experience, knowledge, and industry connections to execute on our vision. In the last 5 years, we've delivered dozens of large EV projects for stakeholders in Canada and the US. And we're here today for 3 things. We're looking for partners interested in charging data, for partners interested in setting up or optimizing incentives for the EV community, and or partners looking to invest in the electric vehicle space and possibly our vision. Thank you very much.